Why warm-ups and cool-downs matter.
Both warm-ups and cool-downs prepare your body for exercise and aid recovery. Skipping these routines can lead to reduced performance and a higher risk of injury. Understanding the most common mistakes in these phases is essential for making every workout safer and more effective.
Mistake 1. Skipping warm-ups entirely.
Many people jump straight into intense workouts without a proper warm-up. This increases the risk of strains and injuries. The fix is simple. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on light aerobic activity and dynamic stretches to gradually raise your heart rate and loosen your muscles.
Mistake 2. Doing static stretching before exercise.
Static stretches, where you hold positions for extended periods, are better suited for after your workout. Doing them before exercising can actually decrease strength and performance. Instead, focus on dynamic movements that mimic your main workout to activate muscles safely.
Mistake 3. Neglecting the cool down.
After exercising, abruptly stopping can leave your heart rate and blood pressure elevated, leading to dizziness or discomfort. Proper cool-downs gradually bring your body back to a resting state. Try gentle movement like walking or low-intensity cycling, followed by static stretching to aid recovery.
Mistake 4. Rushing through stretching.
Quick or careless stretching during cool-downs lessens their effectiveness. Hold each stretch for at least 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on major muscle groups you use during your workout. This helps improve flexibility and can reduce post-exercise soreness.
Getting the most from your routine.
Avoiding these common mistakes makes your exercise safer and more beneficial. Take time to warm up with dynamic movements, finish with gentle cool-down activity, and stretch thoughtfully. Thoughtful routines at the beginning and end of your workout support long-term progress and injury prevention.